Welcome to my channel Fluency in English with Surpreet Aluwalia. My name is Surpreet. I'm your English language teacher. Today I'm going to teach you about getting fluency in your language. There are a lot of questions, but we have to work on one question. That is, how can I improve my language? There are a lot of methods which could be useful, but we have to understand how many methods are there and how can I polish up my language very well. So today I would like to give you some tips so that you will be able to understand how can I manage my language in a very short time. Now students, I have written some very useful tips for you on the board. Okay, now you can see the tips. Okay, the first tip is concept, tenses, active and passive voice, narration. Okay, the second concept, your confidence and smile. That is your second point. You can say confidence and smile. The third thing is the role of helping verbs such as is, are, has, have, will, shall. I will describe these things very individually. Let's talk about first tip. Okay, so now I am talking about concepts, tenses, active and passive voice, and narration. Students, we know these concepts are very long, but they are very quite interesting to be learned. Okay, we have to understand these concepts very individually. Okay, in the future I would like to give you lots of different ideas and knowledge about these concepts. Okay, you don't need to get confused about these things in your life. So but the main tip is we should know what kind of concept we are using during conversation. Okay, let's talk about the second tip. You can see right now confidence and smile. Okay, so confidence, smile, these two things are very important for us because confidence makes you very great during conversation because it helps you to understand everything. Okay, because you are always surrounded by lots of people, but you are keenly interested in conversation. Confidence gives you lots of power to understand your life. Okay, what are you talking about? There are a lot of things in your life. Confidence makes your life so easier. Okay, in this language, it makes your language so beautiful. You just have to work on so many things so that it may be very useful at the time of conversation. Confidence is always very helpful. Try to understand these things in your life. And smile, when you talk to somebody else with smile, it makes your life so easy. Okay, let's talk about third point. Okay, the role of helping verbs such as is, are, has, have, will, shall. They are greatly used in your language. So we should know what helping verb should be used with the right subject. If we don't use the right helping verb with the subject, our language can't be improved. So we have to improve our language according to helping verbs because they take a long time to be improved in your language. Today I have written some very useful tips for you. In the future I would like to add some more tips for you. Okay, don't need to get worried again and again. I know it may be difficult for the first time, but with the passage of time things can be improved. I will make videos for you students related to tenses, active and passive voice, narration, confidence and smile, the role of helping verbs such as is, are, has, have, will, all these different concepts so that you can polish up your language very well. Okay, so in order to get more videos, like my video and subscribe my channel, that is Fluency in English with Surpreet Aluwalia. Thank you for watching video.